So this 2-inch, we've got saw kerfs. So that's an 1/8 saw kerf cut all the way through the pipe. I have some pictures that I'll put up too, but another 8-inch. This one we completely cut it apart, so we have cuts that go that way and crossways, and you can see how that opened up the pipe when we set the patch. So this is a single layer fiberglass with a silicate resin. We have 10 pounds. We have 10 pounds of air pressure on this, and to check it, we used Big Blue Micro Leak. This stuff bubbles like crazy on the smallest little leak. But as of yet, it's been on here for, I don't know, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. I don't have a swell, right? So at 10 pounds, you get just a few tiny like next to nothing. And like that one, the resin didn't ooze out all the way, but I pretty well filled her full of Big Blue. We have no bubbles. It definitely seals the cracks. If not 100%, 99.99999. She's sealed pretty damn tight. So I want to go over our attempt to air test. The problem is, so we could plug these, but there's a line that runs under here. It comes up in a low pressure welded box inside there. So there's a T that comes up inside that box. We have no access inside the welded skirt perimeter drain to plug that. If we could plug that, then we could plug all of these. We've got the test rig on that one, but you come over here, that line comes through, goes to this gravity drain to let all the water out of that pipe. Same thing, there's a welded box inside here that T comes up in. that welded box goes all the way down that. We cambered all that. And there's really no way to isolate the T in there. So what I tried doing, I tried getting test balls, you know, little rubber test balls to turn the corner. They're just too big, and that's the smallest thing I have to do an air test, is to try to get a balloon or some sort of cork turned in those T's. I just can't get them to turn in there, so right now I just have them wedged in there, but they both leak, and I mean they leak a lot. So if you can think of a better way to isolate this line, you know, sure, we could test it, but I think what we'll do is we trialed this in the shop. We held 15 pounds for 2.5 days, and this patch is actually better than the one that we air tested in the shop, and the damage to the pipe is less than what we did on our test piece. So I'm just going to cut a bunch of video together, and we'll just try to do this visually to show that it works and that we covered the damage. I tried. I don't really have any other solutions other than this, so I gave it an effort at least.